Les prépositions.
What are prepositions? Prepositions are words that show the relationship between different elements in a sentence. They often indicate location, direction, time, and manner. Common French prepositions. Some common French prepositions are
À accent grave. Je vais à la maison.
I am going to the house.
Je te retrouverai au parc.
I will meet you at the park.
2. Le livre de Marie est intéressant.
The book of Marie is interesting.
Je viens de Paris.
I come from Paris.
En. Je suis en France.
I am in France.
Le livre est en table.
The book is on the table.
Avec. Je vais au parc avec mes amis.
I am going to the park with my friends.
Je fais un gâteau pour mon anniversaire.
I am making a cake for my birthday.
Chez. Je vais chez mon grand-père.
I am going to my grandfather's house.
Sans. Je ne peux pas vivre sans toi.
I cannot live without you.
Sur. Le livre est sur la table.
The book is on the table.
Sur. Il a sauté sur la plateforme.
He jumped onto the platform.
Sous. Le chat est sous la table.
The cat is under the table.
Devant. Il y a une voiture devant la maison.
There is a car in front of the house.
Derrière. Le chien se cache derrière le canapé.
The dog is hiding behind the couch.
Entre. Le chat est assis entre les deux chaises.
The cat is sitting between the two chairs. Using prepositions. Prepositions are used to link nouns, pronouns, and phrases to other parts of a sentence. They often require specific forms based on gender and number, especially
à, and, de.
Prepositions of place. Prepositions like
sur, sous, devant, derrière, à côté de, and, entre.
Indicate positions and locations.
Le livre est sur la table.
The book is on the table.
Il est assis derrière moi.
He is sitting behind me. Prepositions with articles. When using definite articles,
le, la, les.
With prepositions, they often contract.
Au, du, des.
Examples.
Je vais au cinéma.
I'm going to the cinema.
Il parle aux étudiants.
He's talking to the students. Prepositions of time. Prepositions like
à, en, and, pendant.
Are used to indicate time. Examples.
Je vais à l'école le matin.
I go to school in the morning.
Il étudie en été.
He studies in the summer. Prepositions of movement. Prepositions like indicate movement or direction, place. Examples.
Elle va à la plage.
She's going to the beach.
Nous allons chez le médecin.
We're going to the doctor's.
Point à retenir.
Gender and number. Some prepositions require adjustments. Contractions. Learn the contractions of prepositions with definite articles to avoid common errors. Practice. Practice using prepositions in various common prepositions. Familiarize yourself with the most common French prepositions, as they are frequently used in everyday language. Common mistakes. Be mindful of preposition usage, as incorrect prepositions can change the meaning of a sentence.